This is a 20-year-old couch that kind of needs some help. It can go from this to this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this gorgeous cover for your couch. Specifically, this is a pet cover for your couch. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And I promise I'll get a dog down here in a second to show you just how much they love it. Well, you came down here way faster than I thought you were going to. I didn't even get to finish explaining this. She's like, that's okay, Ma. I totally approve of it. I love it. It's great. So, what I wanted to show you guys, look at how thick this is. It's nice and cushy, so it is going to give a little bit of cushion back to your sofa. It does have like the little bumps on the bottom to make it so it's not going to slide around. So if your dog's jumping all over it, it shouldn't slide or move around too much. This is fully machine washable. It is not waterproof. That is the only thing I want to make sure you understand. It is not waterproof, but it is pretty thick. So if you did manage to spill something, if you pull it off fast enough, you'd probably be just fine. And with it being fully machine washable, I definitely think that helps. It is soft. It's like a velvety feel to it. And the color is absolutely gorgeous. Eleanor, you want to give it a try again? Get up here. She's like, yeah, this is mine. This is my new couch cover, and I love it, and it is so great. Is it so great? Do you love it? She's like, yeah. This is my favoriteest couch when we play the game nights. If you're looking for a way to refresh your couch or protect it from your pets, because this is going to collect the pet fur, and then you can just wash this instead of constantly having to vacuum and wash your whole couch, just throw this in the washer and put another one on there. We recommend this.